Junk paper is her specialty, 'cause God gave her lots of creativity. She's got a lot of talent and a wore-out printer, but when the Holy Ghost gets on her, oh boy, she's singing tenor. That's just Penny, dun, that's just Penny, dun, that's just Penny, Penny.
So here I am checking to see what day that I am on, and I am just hearting the items that I have completed, and I am going through checking to see what I need to do next. And this is my art journaling Bible. Print it yourself. You can check out the links to find it below and this is the margin art mask page, and I'm turning to Psalms, I believe, 103. And I just cut out the center of the margin art page. I'm going to remove my single page so that I can work on the back. I am going to glue this, and I'm going to actually punch my holes here. I'm making sure that I have them on the right side, and the margin mask sheet is on the right side. Here I'm gluing the edge only down first, making sure everything fits and things like that. I got off at the top a little bit, but that's okay because I kind of straighten it out. I do not glue it all the way on the page. I'll show you in a bit. Here I'm using the cuts from the kit of the hearts. I'm using just the stencil as a stencil. It is just the cardstock cuts, I guess you could call them, or leftovers or whatever. I'm using it as a stencil, and it's not going through the paper. It's real light ink, real light distressing, so I'm not ruining the words. I can still see the words perfectly. Here I am just using my marking method. If you're interested in how I mark my Bible, color code it, there is also a link on the site. It'll all be down below. This I'm using as sort of a tuck spot. I'm using sticky notes so that I can journal about the chapter scriptures or whatever, because there's more scriptures than just one on this page. So I want to make sure I have room. Here is one of the tags I'm filling out, doing some journaling on. This is one of the pre-made tags. So I'm just highlighting and just jotting down some journaling. I also turn it over on the back and start journaling from what I journaled in my traveler's notebook. So it kind of goes all together. This, I'm just fixing a dex card with some of the leftover elements. I'm trying to decide what I want to use. This is some foam tape, double-sided adhesive foam tape. I want to make sure that it pops up. Now I am just going to paper clip these in. I am not going to glue these down in my Bible because I want to make sure. I'm just adding some shadow with just a regular pencil, adding some highlights, adding some glitter, and I'm just going to paper clip this in on my page.